We'll guide you through how to flip video in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click File on the top menu to access the main project options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Import to bring media into your project. A file browser window will open, allowing you to locate the video file you want to use. Choose the video file from your computer, then click Open to import it into the project. Once the file has been imported, go to the Project panel, where all your media files are stored. From the Project panel, drag the video into the source monitor so you can preview and prepare it before adding it to the timeline. In the source monitor, review the clip carefully. If needed, trim or select the specific portion of the video that you want to use in your sequence so that only the necessary section is included. After selecting the desired portion, drag the media clip from the source monitor onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place it into an existing one. With the clip now on the timeline, go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust the video settings. In this panel, find the video section and locate the rotation setting. Change the rotation value to 180 degrees to flip the video upside down. This method is the quickest way to rotate or flip the orientation of your video clip. For the second method, go to the Effects panel if you want to use an alternative approach. In the search bar at the top of the panel, type Basic 3D to quickly locate the effect. When the effect appears in the results, drag the Basic 3D effect onto the video layer in the timeline to apply it. After applying the effect, return to the Effect Controls panel to adjust the new settings. Scroll down until you find the Basic 3D section. Here, you can modify the effect parameters to flip the video. Adjust the swivel value to 180 degrees if you want to flip the video horizontally. Alternatively, adjust the tilt value to 180 degrees if you want to flip the video vertically, depending on the orientation you need.